You can download all the user responses collected through the bot in CSV/Excel format. To do that, go to your TARS dashboard and click on the chatbot for which you want to download the data. Once you click on the chatbot dashboard opens up. Now click on View and Export Data from the Check Data section. Once the View and Export Data page opens, click on the Export Data button. Once you click on the Export Data section, the Export Data page pops up. Over here, you have the option of segregating the data based on particular dates, month, or even week as per your convenience. You can also select the entire conversations or conversations of a particular gambits. Once you are done with the selection of gambits, click on Export Data, and a CSV file containing the conversation would get downloaded. To use chatbots in your own organization, book a free chatbot consultation at hellotars.com/demo or click the link in the video description. Again, that's hellotars.com/demo.